On most vehicles, the power to the headlights is routed from the battery through the vehicle wiring harness to the headlight switch, then back to the headlights. This long route from battery to headlight causes a voltage drop, resulting in dim headlights. This headlight relay harness was designed to improve the voltage to the headlight by using shorter, heavy-duty wires and relays directly powered by the battery. Disconnect the battery. Tape the battery post to avoid accidental contact during installation. Check the routing of the headlight relay harness on your vehicle. The two large ring terminals must reach the battery, and the two relays need to be mounted in a convenient place on the fender well or radiator support. The rest of the harness is routed to the headlights. The headlight nearest the relay is connected first. Unplug the original headlight and connect it to the connector from the new headlight relay harness. Connect the new headlight plug from the relay harness to the headlight bulb. Also ground the ring terminal from the headlight plug to a good negative ground on the body. Mount the relays with the included bracket in a convenient location close to the battery. Attach the red wires with the ring terminals to the positive battery terminal. These red wires are fusible links, a safety feature should the relay harness get damaged by incorrect installation or accident. If the fusible links are blown, resulting in an open circuit, they must be replaced with similar 30 amp rated fusible links. Test your system and enjoy the benefits and safety of brighter headlights.